From the beginning of time, people everywhere have tried to find the answer to one important question. How can I feel younger longer? At some point in each of our lives, we are faced with the effects of our aging bodies. And while it's impossible to slow down time, it is possible to slow down the aging process of our bodies. Think of it this way. We have our biological age, or how long we've been alive, but we also have our true age, or how old we are on the inside. This is the age of our organs, our joints, cells, and our systems, and it's determined by something called AGEs, or Advanced Glycation End Products. Let's explore this concept a little more. As far back as the 1970s, scientists have been studying damaging compounds that form when protein and excess sugar bind together in the body. Known as AGEs, these compounds have been linked to premature aging and many other health issues. These issues can be as common as wrinkles and sore joints, or as serious as complications with kidney health, memory function, blood sugar levels, vision health, and heart health. So, how can we lower the AGE levels in our body? Well, the first way is to limit the amount of AGEs we consume. Did you know that the act of cooking at high temperatures increases the amount of AGEs we take into our bodies? Also, high levels of AGEs can be found in many processed foods. We can avoid consuming large amounts of AGEs by eating raw fruits and vegetables, cooking slowly over low heat, and avoiding processed foods altogether. The second way is to reduce the number of AGEs formed in the body. Did you know that a sedentary lifestyle can actually increase the AGE formation process? See, exercising burns extra sugar, which in turn means there's less available to form AGEs. But one of the easiest ways to reduce AGEs formed inside the body is by drinking Tru-Age Max. Research indicates that Tru-Age Max helps support healthy AGE levels. In fact, in a recent study with pre-diabetic individuals, drinking 60 milliliters of Max per day helped reduce AGE levels by an average of 24% in just 4 weeks. And the best part is, there are no harmful side effects. So now that you know what AGEs are and how they can affect your true age, perhaps you're wondering if there's a way to measure your AGE levels. Well, Morinda and its partners have developed a patented, cutting-edge AGE testing device, which has been validated by over 100 published research studies around the world. By simply scanning your skin, this Tru-Age scanner can painlessly determine your AGE levels in less than 20 seconds. Knowing your true age has never been easier. Just visit www.truage.com and sign up for one of the many Tru-Age meetings around the country. And remember, AGEs are harmful compounds that form when protein and excess sugar bind. Too many AGEs in the body can cause some serious health issues. You can reduce your AGE levels by eating fresh fruits and vegetables, avoiding processed foods, and by exercising regularly. Oh, and don't forget, drinking 60 milliliters of Tru-Age Max per day can help support healthy AGE levels. We all want to feel younger longer, and now we know how. Do something today that will lower your true age. Talk to the person that showed you this video, attend a Tru-Age meeting to get scanned, or explore www.truage.com.